In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a course in Thinkific. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make a clean copy of an existing course so you can reuse your structure, save time, and keep your original content intact. First, make sure you're signed in to your Thinkific admin with the right permissions to manage courses. From your admin dashboard, head to Products, then select Courses. This is where all of your existing courses are listed, and it's the starting point for making a copy. Next, locate the course you want to copy. If you have a long list, use the search bar or sort options to find it quickly. When you see the course, look to the right of its name for the ellipsis icon, the 3 vertical dots. That icon opens up the Actions menu for that course. Click the ellipsis, and in the menu that appears, choose Duplicate. Thinkific will begin creating a new copy of your course in the background. This process is usually quick, but timing can vary based on the size of your course. Once you've done that, refresh the courses page. After refreshing, you'll see a new entry in your list with the title Copy of, followed by the original course name. That's your duplicated course, separate from the original, ready for you to customize without affecting the source version. Now it's time to rename the course and edit it as needed. Give it a clear, descriptive title so you can easily distinguish it from the original, something like Spring Cohort, Advanced Version, or Template Copy. From there, make whatever adjustments you need. This is where you can tailor lesson content, update descriptions, adjust pricing, and swap out images or downloads to match the new audience or session. The key benefit here is that you're working with a full copy, so any changes you make to this new course won't alter the original. A few tips as you go. Establish a simple naming convention to keep your catalog organized, especially if you plan to duplicate frequently. If the duplicate doesn't appear right away, give the page a refresh and a moment to finish processing. And if you don't see the duplicate option, double-check that you have the appropriate admin role to manage courses. That's it. You've gone from your courses list, used the ellipsis menu to duplicate, refreshed to confirm the new copy, and then renamed and edited the course to fit your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy course building.